I'm going to repot the plant. I've been waiting on getting this plant repot for like a week and a half. So I'm really kind of at my deadline. I feel like if I don't repot this today, I'm gonna have problems with it. I laid this blanket down. I don't typically do this, but I laid this blanket down because one, I absolutely hate this blanket. Two, it's raining outside. I would normally do it outside, but since it's raining, we're just gonna do it in. This is more of a big plant, so I kind of have to like push down on it and then get it out. So you push down on it and you pull it out with your hands. And those are just all the roots. I'm just gonna pat it because I do want to break it down without ripping too much of the root system. So we're just gonna massage the dirt off of it, basically.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
I have, oh my gosh, my hands are like really dirty. So now I have all of the plants. For $40, I just got 3 huge plants, you guys.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I need more soil. This one is for fruits and veggies. This is mushroom manure for fruits and veggies, like to fertilize it. And then this is peat moss. now I have them all washed up. Here's what the roots would look like once you have all of the dirt out of it. So I have most of the dirt out of these. If you see like little specks, I mean, girl, you know. And I also use like room temperature water. These are all of the leaves that I'm going to try to propagate, and all of the leaves that had to come down because they looked ugly.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Well, I am, I'm tired, but I am done. It took me about 45 minutes to do the whole thing, so I went ahead and repot all of these. I'm going to give them a little sprinkle of water at the top, and then try to find some placement for them in the house. I have the pots, you know, put up, and I am about to go ahead and clean this up. However, I just finished watering this plant right here. Look at that. So basically what happens is the roots would suck all of the water up from the bottom. And I realized that the plant was dripping from the top, and I thought that was just so interesting, y'all. So I just wanted to show you guys. But look at the inside of, oh, look at it drip in the water. Look at the inside of the root system, how it's like red, excuse my nail, but how it's like red and it's like really, really wet. I just really love plants. It's my piece. So yeah, so I cut that one off. I'm gonna cut another one off just in case that one don't work because it is ripped. The water coming out of the stem. If you guys aren't into plants, I mean, my God, you guys are missing out. This is just so interesting. I always tell people, y'all need to get plants before y'all start having children. You know, life is just so interesting. Take a rag. It is a lot to maintain plants, which is why I say people should have plants before they start having kids. But you know, that's just me. None of my business. I'll just wipe the leaves off, front and back. Sometimes I forget to wipe the bottom of the leaf off.
Hold me close till inside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And